Hello and welcome to this video that describes our updated cable design tool. For the past 6 years, our web-based cable design tool has become a valuable utility for test engineers designing custom cables for functional test systems. Our extensive library of wire, cable, connectors and backshells, coupled with an intuitive user interface, has made configuring custom cables much simpler than other software applications or manually creating them. We are proud to announce a major upgrade to the cable design tool. The latest version features a similar look and feel to the original, but has many new features based on our users' feedback. Pickering's cable design tool is now more collaborative and secure. Data can be shared among multiple designers with security level control, so unauthorized users can only view and not edit the design, thus minimizing errors. The original cable design tool only had the ability to submit designs to Pickering. To ensure accuracy, version control is greatly improved with complete histories and design locking. Messages to other users can now be sent and received within the tool. These messages can be exchanged with other users on your team, as well as Pickering's engineers. An improved workflow on your cable design helps with the approval process, allows for traceability of changes, and keeps all communications on the design in one place. The design submission process is greatly simplified, along with the security of the design submitted. A new feature of the cable design tool is the Project Manager. Its primary purpose is to organize designs in a project folder structure. Such a project folder can be shared with other users and gives access to communication, attachments, history, and other functions. The Project Manager also controls access to shared designs and manages the user's custom design library. As always, the cable design tool is available to all users free of charge from our website with no software to install. For more information, visit pickeringtest.com/CDT or contact your local Pickering sales office. Thank you for your time.